Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Makeda here, and we're back with another unboxing video. One of my favorite subscriptions, Fab Fit Fun. We're going to be opening the summer box and seeing what's in here. I have no idea what's in here because I didn't select any customization, so I have no idea what's in here. The box is super cute. It has the lovely ladies here sitting on their beach towel, and that is super cute. So this is another really nice reusable box that one can use. So let's open it up and let's see what we got in here. I'm excited. I hope some really cool stuff are in here. So let's see what we got. Now I'm trying to open this. Here, hold on. Okay. Here we go. Open. Wow. First of all, I always love how they package their boxes. Look at that. Isn't it nice and fun? They included more stickers this time, which is really cute. We have some ice cream stickers there. So this is a summer 2021 box. And all right, then it says step into the sun. All right, and they give a $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. I'll see if I have any other coupons, and it will be in the description below. If there's any coupons and you want to give them a try. They always include the book, which is nice, so that you can see the products and you can know a little bit more history about where some of the products come from. So this will be helpful in case we want to know more about something that we find in the box. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, I already see some cute stuff that I like. Sorry, there's a little bit of lint flying around. Oh my gosh, I love pineapples, and look at this cute. It's an ice mold for pineapples. That's really cute. I would also use this. I could make some cute little ice pops or something with this. This is super cute. Even some tiny mini muffins you can use this for. I love this. And this is by Blush. Oh, maybe I can't make muffins with this because I don't know if you could use it in the oven. Maybe not. I will have to check it out and see. Let's open it up. We're gonna open it up one time and see. Let's see what it says. Your drinks ought to be as darling as you are. Do not microwave, not oven safe. So I cannot make mini muffins with this. But I can make cute ice cream or little ice pop desserts with that. So I love that. Off to a great start. They have some other little promos in here, like HelloFresh. They have some HelloFresh coupons on there. I tried HelloFresh. It's really nice. You can give them a try and see how you like it. Some other pamphlets here. Let's get into what is in here. Okay. We got the skincare, flight mode skincare. What is this? Oh, it's a high altitude hydration mask for all skin types. Sit back, relax, and get some beauty sleep while Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid works to hydrate and plump your skin. So that sounds nice. I will be checking that out and see. Oh, I am just really liking what I'm seeing here. Wow. Here's a nice pumice, a dual-sided foot file which I can definitely use this. This is very good for us ladies because we love wearing those sandals, and we can use this to make sure that our feet are nice and clean. So I like this. This is by Barefoot Scientist. Might not be able to see that, but oh, interesting. Yeah, I'm feeling the two sides. Yeah, they have that little roughness to them to scrape the foot. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it, and I will definitely be using this. This will be going in the bathroom when we are done. Okay, I see some clothing here. Not sure what this is, but it's made in India and it's pretty. Now let's open this up, see what this is. Let's see. Oh, I like it. It is a wrap. I love things like this. It's a wrap or a scarf. I love things like that. Let's check it out. And this is by Virginia Woolf, if you know that designer. Oh, this is lovely. Look at this. I really like this. This is my kind of stuff. This is pretty. I really like this. So yes, there's a lot of lint and dust. Yes, but this is oh my god, look at this. This looks really pretty. I love this. That's really nice. I'm really liking everything in this box so far, I have to say. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what these things are. A vitamin E face moisturizer. That sounds good. This is by Malin and Goats or Goettes. Something like that, but that sounds really wonderful. And I do need another face moisturizer, so that's cool. We got that. And then we have something by African Botanics, and it is Shimmering Gold Oil. This looks lovely. This looks like it's gonna have your skin glowing and looking radiant. Wow, this is beautiful. It has like little specks of gold. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, that looks nice. Let's see. Oh, it's a smooth over skin, being sure to highlight shoulders and arms and legs. You know, use it to highlight those nice areas. The words are really small. It's a bit hard for me to read, but that's pretty exciting. We're getting down to the wire. I don't think there's too much left in here. There's something by Ray Dunn that I'm saving almost for last. Beautiful. There is some fruit butter lip mask. I love lip balms. I've used some lip balms from Burt's Bees. I love the Burt's Bees lip balms, especially the mango flavor. Love it. This one is by Seraphine Botanicals, and it's fruit butter lip mask. So that sounds pretty cool. I love lip butters. So, trying to open it to see how this looks. Oh, this comes in a tube. That's interesting. Very interesting. Of course, cruelty-free and vegan. It's an intensive, oh, it's an overnight lip mask. Oh, well, that's nice. Yes, you can wake up with some nice, lovely, soft lips. It has olive oil in it, some shea butter, candelia, apricot. That's nice. I like it. I'll be trying that out too. Okay, then I think we just have our raid done. Oh, and then look at the inside of this box. Hold on. I'm trying to let you see. It's so cute. Oh, the thing's dropping everywhere. Look at that. It has little ice creams and stuff like that. That's so cute. Packaging. They know how to do their packaging. Okay, let us see what this is. Raid done. Of course, you know, everyone is so interested in getting her things. And I actually have a teacup set, and it comes with a little notepad. That was my first Raid Done collection. I bought that in Home Goods. And now I got something from her out of this box. Oh, it's a guac and salsa bowl set. And I do love salsa, and I love my avocado. So this is cute. Well, I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm kind of excited. First, we get our little bamboo spoons. Yes, for dipping. I was checking to see if they had nice, good hole for scooping things out. Which, yep, not bad. We're taking this styrofoam thing out, or trying to. Let's see. Okay. Got the styrofoam thing. And let's see. Oh, alright, look! What? It has it nestled in one another. So we got the salsa and the guac. Oh, this is great. And I mean, otherwise you can use it for other things too. They're nice ceramic dishes, so you can use them for other things. Of course, dishwasher safe. You can use it in the microwave as well. So these are nice, and I am really excited to add to my Raid Done collection. So this is my second set of items from Raid Done. I'm really excited about that. And that's the end of this box. I have to say I was really excited by this summer box. I love practically everything in there. This shimmering gold oil looks really nice. This foot thing is really cool. I'm really excited to use that. I love, of course, the Raid Done stuff and this scarf. Yes, those are my top picks from this box. This was really nice. I really enjoyed this box. I would say give Fab Fit Fun a try. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a try. Usually you can customize a few things in your box, whether you choose seasonal or annual. If you choose annual, you can customize a lot of things in the box. And if you choose seasonal, you can customize about 4 or 5 items in your box. So try it out. See how you like it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. And thank you again for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe, and comment below what was your favorite item out of the box. Thanks again for coming. Talk to you later. Much love. Bye.